Hi, this is Gary DeRoche with Ting Point Electro Therapy. We're going to show you how we do a pulled or torn calf muscle. Now what we're doing the bladder ting point, which runs right up through the calf, the meridian does, I should say. So we place a pad on each little toe on the outside of the toenail, put a sock on to hold them in place. Then we do the other one. It's on the outside of the little toe. A very, very strong meridian. Runs right through the calf and the hamstring. This just holds everything in place. The sock does. So now we're going to place a pad directly on the injury. We'll show you how we do both. It's an electro pad with a gel pad on it, so it sticks. And we turn it on, plug it in I should say, turn it on, and treat the calf. Now if you want to use knee-high socks, you can hold the pad on the calf as well while you're walking around.